Hi. So I had this very good idea about the first interaction with ChatGPT. Um, I figured that it's not about theory and these things. I can't jump into use cases right away. This is the first thing these people will see, and um, it looks like this. So, this is the very first interaction. What do I do? How do I do it so that people have the wow moment, they reach it on their own, no matter how relevant my examples? I don't know. So, what I've done is I've created the first lecture, which is understanding what ChatGPT is about. In it, I will show an example, one example, and it's going to go, I want to learn to code. Where do I start? And then there is this follow-up, ask me several questions to get more context before answering. I get a bunch of questions. Are there specific programming languages? Do you have any previous experience? What is your primary purpose? And once I answer these questions, I get some very, very good um, answers from ChatGPT. Now, this is a technique which I call it prompt creator, but clarifying questions, whatever. You can find this, by the way, over here in the follow-ups on the team-gpt platform. And this is extremely useful for anyone who doesn't know what to do. So I've created 10 examples. Write a poem, write an email, write an essay, learn to code, have better sleep, quit my job, fix frozen phone, sell my product better, what is string theory, and write a report. All of these are very good examples. All of them are following the same structure. Let's create a poem, ask me several questions, then you answer the questions, and it gives you a poem. Now, I will show only one in the lecture, and then I'll provide the rest as exercises to anyone. So anyone can start them, and I have started the question, and they can continue it, and they can see the value of ChatGPT for themselves. I will ask every student to go through these 10 exercises, and this will be the very first interaction with ChatGPT. I want to curate it in this way. This is how these prompts should start, so that the people can provide all this context themselves. Now, later in the course, I will explain that what they have done here is they've basically provided context without even knowing, right? And context is crucial, and in this course, we will be getting better and better at providing context, right? And that's more or less it. I really love it. I think there will be, I don't know, 1-2 minutes of lecture time, 2 minutes of lecture time, and then the rest would be, I don't know, half an hour of them playing around with ChatGPT. And this is how you learn, right? This is the proper way to learn. Okay, now in this lecture I wanted to show bonus countless examples to practice on. Here they are. I'm working on a course. I have just started talking to LLMs. I'm trying to think of different questions I can ask and have meaningful conversations with the AI. Here is a list of the conversations I've had thus far. And I'll just write a poem. I'll just write in here. Write an email, write an essay, learn to code, have better sleep, quit my job, fix frozen phone, how to sell my product better. Quit my job is not great, but it's controversial, so people will watch it. So. Okay, now these are the conversations I had thus far, and now I'll say, please create 10 more of these. I have provided good examples of conversations with LLMs, and it starts. Explain climate change, how to practice mindfulness, write a movie script. All of these guys, this is how you start. And then I can, at any point, I can go here and make this an exercise even. Okay, let's see, explain climate change. I like this. I'll create a new exercise over here. Explain climate change. Clarifying questions. And the exercise is more or less created, right? I'll just copy this emoji and voila, I have unlimited exercises, right? I have unlimited exercises. This is it. So I'm leaving this as a bonus. Unlimited exercises generator. I'm leaving it here. Anybody can use it, and I'll just write provide 20 more. I'll just create them so that people can see this successful conversation, and they can learn from example. By the way, I will probably use this this conversation as another lecture, which would be on how to prompt the AI with examples. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, I'm very excited that I managed to come up with a good plan for the first interaction with ChatGPT. I think it's gonna be very, very exciting for people. And how to bake a cake, how to meditate. Oh, this is a good one. I'll put it here. I have to provide this to the people. Meditation is good for you. Okay. This is so easy. Anyways, I'm done with this lecture and I'm very happy. Now, yeah, see you in the next video. By the way, before we go, I just want to say, I don't want to create 50 exercises, right? I want to create 10, no more than 10. Now there are more than 10, but still, I want to create a couple of exercises, and then I want to give them the option to create more exercises on their own. This is a unique thing for ChatGPT. You cannot do it anywhere else. Create unlimited exercises for yourself, by yourself. So that's why many people are saying, ChatGPT is so good at for education, because it can provide this, it can test knowledge, it can prompt you to learn more, and there are many different use cases for education. Now, to reach the next ones, I think everybody should start with learning how to use ChatGPT itself. And yeah, finally, something really important I wanted to say. Since ChatGPT is not so mindful of what ChatGPT is, because it has data before ChatGPT was created, every time I'm talking about this, I'm referencing it as LLMs, large language models, because GPT models, they understand what large language models are at a very deep level, but they don't understand what ChatGPT is at a very deep level. Yeah, so thanks and see you next time.